We are here at the truck stop para kumain ng aming almusal. So, yung favorite namin almusal is IHOP. So, ito yung store na marami kang mabibili, kaya lang medyo pricey. At karugtong ito nung aming kinainan ng aming almusal. Ayun yung IHOP. So, iisang place lang, hindi ka na pupunta kung saan-saan. Nandito na yung kainan, stores and everything, restroom. So ayan, kumain kami ng aming breakfast. Paminsan-minsan medyo ayusin naman namin yung aming almusal ni Mark. So ayan, lumabas na kami at kami ay balik na sa truck stop. Natatawa kami dyan kasi may nakita kaming dog sa car na nakatingin sa amin. So it's hot, that's why make sure na okay yung aso. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!